You guys want to be completely blown away? Check out the inside of this house for sale for $99,500 in Cisco, Texas. This house was built in 1902, and from the outside really has the proportions of a beautiful turn-of-the-century southern home with that really widespread front porch. But when you go inside the house, you will be blown away. The front door especially is incredible. It's all original and has beautiful decorated transoms above it and along the sides. And the staircase is in excellent condition. Honestly, just this alone is worth to me the asking price. And look at the amazing turn-of-the-century detail on those pocket doors. I also spy original light fixtures in this house and beautiful stained glass transoms all throughout it, not to mention gorgeous carved mantelpieces. One of my favorite features of old houses are the quirky little doors that you'll find often throughout. And in so many cases, doors were carved in unique shapes or sizes to fit interesting openings that may connect two parts of the house that may not have been built around the same time or that might have different proportions. I love this tiny little door that you see in this house that is all that intricately carved woodwork. But the dining room with that built-in cabinet to display my beautiful collection of vintage dishes, how awesome is that? If you love this house and other fixer-uppers, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow Cheap Old Houses on Instagram for more gorgeous historical homes for sale for under $100,000.